everyone, and welcome back to Ellie Pop's Bespoke YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do another one of my inspired by bows, and today is going to be Rapunzel. So what I've got is some flower embellishments, some gold rickrack, my templates, some tulle, and some various coloured glitter fabrics. So first of all, I've decided to do the bottom of the bow in gold. So I'm going to take the template, draw around it and cut it out. So there's the bottom piece done. What I've decided to do, I'm going to have a go and see if it looks alright. I was going to do another piece that overlays it in pink, but then I've also made this tulle bow. I'll do another tutorial on how to add or how to make these or add them to bows another day. But for now, I'm going to see what looks best. Either another layer of pink with this, or this overlaid. I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter. So I'm just going to go ahead and get some of the pink fabric and just cut this small template out. Okay, so we have a gold and a pink at the bottom. Now we need the top. Now I was looking at doing maybe a half and a half bow for the top. I've got this dark purple, which is what Rapunzel colour is, and then I've also got this lighter one. So I was going to try and use both. So let's have a go at this and see if we can figure out the best way of doing this bow. Right, so we have our pieces cut out now, and we're going to try and make some sort of Rapunzel bow out of this. I'm going to cut this in half, and we're going to do a half and half bow. So I'm going to use the rickrack to do a crossed pattern. Actually, I'm just going to cut this short because I want to be able to see the end of the tails. It's better. it's just going to peek out. Okay, so I'm going to glue that to the base. In fact, I am going to double layer this. I'm going to put this one on first. You might not be able to see it fully, but I'm going to know it's there, and it's going to add a little bit more luxury to this bow. So I'm going to add that on there. And we're just layering up. Now obviously tulle has got holes in it, so when you're pushing this on, be very careful about the glue coming through. Okay. And then we're going to stick this one on. Now when you put the middle round, it's going to make this even more secure, so don't worry about things being completely glued down. Now we need a middle. So I'm going to use a 65mm alligator clip. Okay, so I've decided to sort of leave this one as it is. I'm not going to glue anything on there. I'm going to leave it as it is with the rickrack. I quite like that. Okay, so those layers are glued together. We're going to pop the middle on. Now for the Rapunzel part of it, I think, is the flowers. So I'm going to have purple in the middle. And then going from here down and round again, I'm going to go with the flowers. So I've got two different types. I've got these daisy ones and these resin ones, roses. So what do you think? So what do you think? Does it look like a Rapunzel inspired bow to you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to have a go yourself, I have a Facebook group. I'll post it in the link in the comments section, in the description section. It's called Ellie Pops Bespoke YouTube, and in there you can try out my tutorials and then post a picture and let me see how you did. If you had any different ideas for it, you can let me know. and we just share ideas in there in the group, request new tutorials, and speak with other like-minded crafters, bow makers. So like I say, I'll put the link to that in the description of the video. And yeah, that's the Rapunzel inspired by bow. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, bye.